Good morning and welcome to this session where I'll be teaching you how to load the lathe files onto the DAC software. In my previous video I've already covered how to create the lathe files, and if you remember, we created all the lathe files in our network directory N drive here. Now this video I'll show you how to load this lathe files into the DAC software. For simplicity, I've put both the front and the back surfaces in one folder. As you can see here, there's some J3 files and some H3 files. Okay, restarting the whole DAC software. The DAC does some checks. Okay, we are off and running. Press F5, then F1 for a contact lens. Now here we already should be able to see the front points file and the back points file. If you don't have that, you can actually do it by pressing Insert, and then you can select one from here. Now we're not going to go into that, but it should be straightforward from here. So we have our front file, so I'm going to try to load that. So I press Enter, points file space. Now we know that it's on N drive. Now notice you don't have to put the slash here. Now my N file is bin file is h3r.bin, and I press Enter, and as you see, it's the wrong side. So the lathe is clever enough to identify whether the front has been loaded or the back has been loaded. So let's just go and change that to a J3. Okay, so as you can see here, it says V5 low level binary OT, and the tool has to actually oscillate a bit. Now we also want to change that to 2, so spacebar 2, Enter. Now you'll notice that you'll also need to provide the control table and the material table. For the control table, the tool is F7, so I'll press that, and then here I'll choose simplicity, so that comes up in the control table 3. Now material table is F8, so we'll go into that and then select optimum extreme. So here we are. So it's all, you don't need to save, you just press F10 and we are all good. You say yes, and then the next thing you do is F2 to run, and then from here on you just press F2. So that is how you load a lathe file onto the DAC software. So here I'm going to exit, just waiting for the program to process that. Now we go back to F5 for production, F1 for contact lens. Now we did the front surface, now you do the back surface exactly the same way by going here. Now as you can see, I've already loaded the h3r.bin. If you were to change it, you press the spacebar, change that to whatever file you want. If it is the right file, the DAC software will recognize it. If not, it will throw an error very similar to the one we saw before. But as you can see here, bin file not found. Okay, we're all set for production. So just escape that. F5, F1, front, do all that, F10 to done. You want to cut? Yes, and we are all ready to go. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.